everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you another recipe in air fryer. It's going to be a vegetarian recipe and I'm going to make eggplant Bharta, or typical Punjabi we call it Baingan Bharta. It's one big jumbo eggplant or Baingan, and I'm going to make Baingan Bharta in air fryer and I will share with you how to do it. 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, large green chili, garlic, ginger, tomato sauce, spices from masala dabba and olive oil for tadka. The first step will be wash the eggplant and put it into the air fryer. After washing the eggplant, place it inside and we're going to put it in. Plug it in. Start it. Keep the temperature on 370 degrees Fahrenheit and the time will be 15 minutes and we're going to leave it on. The time is cooking. Start cutting up onion, tomatoes, ginger, garlic and green chili. 1 more minute to go. We are almost done. We are waiting for the final beat. We're all done. It's exactly 15 minutes. I will open it. Leave it inside for 5 minutes. That would be a good idea, but I'm just going to take it out right away. As you can see, looking really nice. Just be careful. It's fully done. Make sure that it cools down. As you see that when we took it out, it was all fluffy, and as the air start to come out, get a fork or knife. Just take the skin off. This we're going to peel the skin off, just like this. Look how nicely the skin come out. So that's the thing we need to do. This is the first step. And it's easily come out. Don't burn yourself. Just give it time like a 5 minutes. So this is nicely perfect. Peel it. There is no wastage at all. The skin really peels through nicely. It's like a paper thin. Look at this. Very nice. We're going to take this skin and we're going to discard it. Small portion, the back end. Nicely perfect. You won't get this kind of quality in anywhere. Stovetop or doing it differently. This way it's nicely fully cooked, as you can see it. You can mash it like this. Get a knife, cut into small pieces like this. Look at this. This is nicely done. You really don't need to mash it like a gravy. You don't have to do it. This is perfect. So we'll get it into this pot later. As you can see, all other ingredients, ginger, garlic, green chili, onion, tomatoes, they are all finely chopped. Spices from our masala dabba, olive oil and tomato sauce. So let's start making our delicious Baingan Bharta. Now we're going to go on a gas and we're going to do the tadka. Get a karahi, a wok or fry pan, whatever you have available. Start gas. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, add cumin seed, jeera, 1 teaspoon. Add garlic. Ginger. Cook them 20 seconds until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. Add onion. Mix it well. Keep it moving and keep cooking until the onions are nicely translucent. Cooking onion for 3 minutes. I'll add green chili. Mix it well and we're going to cook green chili along with tadka for 1 minute. Keep it moving so it won't get burned. Another minute of cooking green chili with tadka. Add tomato. Mix it well and keep cooking until the tomatoes are nicely mellowed down. Once all the tomatoes are nicely combined with tadka, bring your gas to medium, cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. With the covered lid cooking for 3 minutes, I'll open it, mix it well. And now mix it and keep mashing. We're going to mash the tomatoes. While we are mashing the tomato, I'll bring 2 tablespoons tomato sauce. Mix it well and keep mashing. Now we're going to add spices. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri mirch, 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Mix it well and keep cooking. We're going to cook the spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking spices along with tadka for 1 minute. I'll bring Baingan, eggplant. This is the one you've seen it, how we take out the skin and we cut it into smaller pieces. Now we're going to mix it well and keep your gas on medium low now. And we're going to mix it once it's nicely combined. Keep mashing. So once it's nicely combined, keep your gas on medium low and cover with the lid, and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. It's exactly 5 minutes cooking with the covered lid. I'm going to open it. Mix it well. And now we can mash it. If there is any big lumps like this, you just break it. So keep mashing and keep cooking. Now we're going to add the last ingredient, cilantro, dhania. After adding dhania, cilantro or coriander leaves, mix it well. After mixing it, dhania, the coriander leaf, spread it evenly. Bring your gas to simmer and cover with the lid and keep it for 2 minutes so that it will absorb all the cilantro flavor. 2 minutes on a simmer, I will open it. I will turn off the gas. Our delicious Baingan Bharta is all ready. And I'm going to dish out. I have my serving karai ready. Look at very tasty and delicious eggplant Bharta, or typical Punjabi Baingan da Bharta. Let me share with you. Our tasty and delicious eggplant Bharta or Baingan da Bharta is all ready. As you've seen it, it's an air fryer and it was so delicious, and please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.